What? What are you doing? Hmm?
Come on! Uh-oh, it's raining. A sunny day. Let's go for a ride.
It's bumper to bumper on the Rainbow Bridge. It's hip-hop time.
It's music time. Puppy's coming round the mountain in his car. Puppy's coming round the mountain, he went far. He got little lights flash on his face. He's very occupied right now. Puppy's coming round the mountain in his car.
Brian's making a video of it, so he'll send it to you guys. Alright, well, just thought I'd let you know.
What?
Having fun now.
You having fun?
Okay. Bye-bye.
The itsy-bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down
What?
in the rain and
You have fun?
out came the sun and dried
What?
the falling rain. And the itsy-bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. I love to tell my little car mate when it's got to go. And when I step on the brake, I make it stop just so.
What's that?
You know, they need to make a toy where the parents can remote control it from the couch on their phone.
What's that? Gotta shut your door, man. You can't have your door open. Is that fun? Was that a cow? Was that a moo cow? What's that? Don't lean on the door. The door moves. Is that fun?
We were riding in the car one day, heading to a friend's to play. Listening to the sounds as the wheels were round and round, we heard beep and boom and zip and zoom all day. See the sun, see the beautiful sun, shining high in the sky, smiling on everyone. If you're Puppy's coming round the mountain in his car. Puppy's coming round the mountain, he went far. He drove up the hill and down as he headed into town. Puppy's coming round the mountain in his car.
Let's rock.
The wheels on the car go round and round, round and round, round and round. The
Was that fun, Ian? Was that fun?
It looked like you waved.